Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 13th till the 19th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. The star. Okay, this person is quite hopeful and positive, in a very healing and positive kind of energy. This is someone who feels like healing from something. They might be having health issues right now, or there are some kind of another issues in their life that they feel like healing. And regarding the situation, they feel like quite optimistic and positive and open to the idea of, let's see what will happen. Let's clarify the star as their feelings for you for the situation. We have the Eight of Swords, the Hanged Man, the Knight of Swords. Yes, there is so much uncertainty in the situation right now. They can't stop overthinking about the situation. They are feeling stuck in the situation energetically, and they feel like running away as far as from the situation, from the stuckness, from the overthinking, from the negativity, not the you or the situation itself. And they feel like remaining quite optimistic and positive that whatever is going to happen, whatever is supposed to come out of the situation, everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be okay. So they are in their head a lot. They're feeling stuck energetically on the situation. They feel like running away from the stuckness and the overthinking, and focusing on the positivity and the healing and the good kind of vibes, good kind of energies in the situation. I don't know what is happening. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? We have the Knight of Cups. There is a lot of love here from your side. So you feel like communicating with somebody, some kind of message, communication, peaceful solution, or some kind of maybe apology if you have done something wrong. Either you're feeling like this for somebody, or you're feeling like someone should come towards you with this kind of energy. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. I have the King of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the World card. So you're feeling like detaching or letting go of one person or one situation out of your system, and making things work out in a beautiful and positive way with another energy, maybe. And or if there are not two people in the situation from your side, you feel like sorting things out with somebody in a proper way, in a genuine, loving, compassionate kind of way, and then ending one cycle, ending one chapter of the situation and moving to the next one. This is not making any sense to me, but you guys are definitely feeling like you are not able to walk away from something or someone completely the way you should. So either you are looking for a full on closure with somebody with a proper loving, caring, compassionate, or nurturing kind of energy, so that you can move on properly, or you are feeling like because you're not able to move on, you feel like connecting with somebody, talking to them, talking with them openly and honestly about the situation, the feelings, the energies, and everything, and then sorting things out, doing something about the situation. It's confusing as fuck for me. So maybe you are able to get the message here. I hope so. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Let's see. Nine of Cups. Their intention here is to have some kind of wish fulfillment. in this dynamics. This person wants to fulfill their desire, fulfill their wish regarding their love and relationship area. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups as their intentions. We have the Nine of Swords, the Empress, and the Lovers. Despite of the overthinking, despite of whatever is going on between you and them, this person wants to have growth and expansion with you. This person wants to have a family kind of a dynamics with you. This person wants to choose you over something else or someone else, if there's a choice or decision that they have to make between this situation or something else or someone else. So this, and or the vice versa, this person wants you to choose them over maybe something else or someone else that you might be dealing with. Okay, so this is their wish fulfillment, like their intention is their wish fulfillment, where either they have to choose something else, they either they have to make a choice between you and something else, so they want you, they want to choose you. And if you have to choose between something else or someone else, you are choosing them. Oh my god, this is so confusing at the same time beautiful. Cancer, I'm sorry, but this is what I am getting here today. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Page of Pentacles. You want to keep things friendly or maybe casual, or you want to keep things like, okay, let's start, let's have a brand new beginning, and let's take it really very, very, very slow, like one call in 10 days or something. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your intentions in this particular situation. I have the Sun card, the Three of Cups, and the Four of Cups. It's like as if you want some kind of surety, as if you want this person to sign some kind of papers or something, that if you guys are going to be together, we are going to be happy. This collaboration, this partnership is going to be really beautiful, because you don't want to handle another disappointment in your life. You don't want to, have any kind of dissatisfaction or any kind of negativity or any kind of negative outcomes in your life whatsoever. That is why you want to keep things happy go lucky, keep things friendly, keep things good, but you don't want to give it a name, you don't want to tag it, you don't want to, be in this full-fledged relationship kind of a thing with this person as of now. This is your intention, to keep things friendly and loving and nurturing, because you don't want to get hurt again, or you don't want to disappoint this person or yourself again, or this whole dynamics. My goodness, this is so confusing. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Cancer, till the 19th of July 2026. I have the Six of Swords. I do see you guys finding a peaceful solution, resolution to a problem that you guys might be facing in a particular situation. You guys are at a distance from each other, like maybe two different cities, two different countries, but there's distance here, physical, emotional, both. Let's clarify the Six of Swords as the potential outcome here for you guys, Cancer. We have the Judgment, the Queen of Swords, the Four of Wands. Somebody is releasing the situation by making it very, very clear to the other person here that they are looking forward to have commitment, they are looking forward to have a partnership where they can rely on the other person. There is equal give and take of energy, there is a solid partnership, solid committed partnership or relationship. So one of you is choosing to detach and detach and detach from the situation, because they are not getting the kind of commitment or happiness that they want out of the situation, because the other person is not ready to do it. the other person is right now not ready to do it. That is why they just are detaching or trying to detach, releasing the situation, releasing the dynamics. So one of you is looking forward to have commitment or solid partnership kind of energy. One of you just want a friendship kind of a friendliness. Let's be together. Let's have fun. Be friends kind of energy, and that is an energetic mismatch. That is making one of you to detach from the situation and release the situation for good. Okay. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. Cancer till the 19th of July. I have the Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Three of Wands. If you don't want commitment, make sure that you are telling the person very openly and honestly about it. And or if you don't want only friendship kind of a deal and you want something solid and committed, make sure you are telling it to the other person very openly and honestly. Don't keep putting in the effort and energy in the wrong kind of dynamics with the wrong kind of circumstances and then blaming the universe, blaming the divine for your own stupidity. Keep yourself protected, Cancer. If you are not getting what you want out of a situation, keep yourself protected. Keep on walking away. Don't waste your precious life, time, efforts, or energy on something or someone where you know, where you definitely know that this person, this energy is not able to provide you or give you what you want, whether it's just friendliness or just commitment kind of energy. Keep on moving forward. Let it hurt you, let it bother you, let it refine you, let it make you strong, but don't like waste your precious life on something or someone where you are not getting what you want. Whatever it is, and then have the energy of blaming the whole divine for not providing you what you want. This is your fault, honey, not the universe's. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is reconsider. Hmm. Reconsider what? Your decision, maybe? Your choice, maybe? Let's see. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.